Hi, I am still the one lemongrass and the garlic and the hot chili pepper. So chicken, fat chicken, I already marinate, fish sauce, garlic, and lemongrass with the chicken seasoning and one small coffee tablespoon of sugar. I marinate and refit about 2 hours already. I add the chicken in. Aroma from the garlic, fat chili pepper, and garlic. Smells just so good. This is one of the Vietnamese special dish for dinner too. And cover up. Just about a few minutes, and I continue to stir that until the meat they look a little bit cooker, and I add some the coconut soda. I'm cooking steamed rice to eat with. The chicken already, lemongrass, garlic, and fat chili pepper. There's some cabbage, Korean cabbage, the garlic, and the oyster sauce. The Korean cabbage, they're more crispy when you cook. We love to eat that. Put some oyster sauce. Put some ground pepper. A little bit sesame oil. You just stir until they cook. You don't have to add any water, okay? I don't like it. Eat the stir vegetable soft. And now they're already done, still crunchy. They look. Are you hungry? Dinner ready. Come over, have a dinner with me. Hi, how are all of you? I've been lazy for a while. I don't make any video. So sorry. But I miss you guys. Cả nhà ơi, hôm nay xào xả ớt, gà xào xả ớt, xào cải bắp nè, cải, dầu hào. Mời cả nhà ăn cơm nha. Ngoài trời tuyết lạnh mà xào gà xả ớt, ăn cơm trắng ngon lắm này. This lemongrass, garlic, and hot chili pepper. Eat with the steamed rice. Been in for a while. I don't cook that dish either. This is the leg, chicken leg. Fat chili. I like more spicy. Well, the video a little bit too long. Thank you for watching and support. Wish you always the best. Don't forget subscribe, like, and share my video. See you next time.